Hey people, so as of yesterday, I saw this movie called Dirty Harry that is on the AHA app. This is a Telugu film that is been like it's a Telugu adaptation of this English film that stars Scarlett Johansson called Match Point. So because the script was so incredible, yeah. I mean, see the much like the title. Dirty Harry, you can imagine that it has a lot of these scenes, and basically it's all about this married man who has an extramarital affair, and the characters who the actors who are playing the characters, they are so cutely chosen, as in there is this new actress called Simrat Kaur. She's just a 21-year-old, but she is so gorgeous. Yeah, she's like, I think she'll become the, I don't know, like Disha Patani of the Telugu industry. I think she's as cute as that. So, and Shravan Reddy, this actor, this Telugu actor, he was also a part of Splits Villa, this MTV show, you know. So in that show, if I remember right, he won it, you know. So during the course of the show, you could tell that this guy, I don't know what his zodiac sign is. Maybe he's a Scorpio, because he's a very driven guy. Like, he really achieves his goals and all. So no, but coming back to this film, it's a very I mean, the script will bowl you over, and in fact, I was so impressed by it, and I thought I'll go looking for the script writer, Telugu script writer, but apparently it's a Telugu adaptation of an English film. So, but you all have to watch it, yeah, because you all can watch it with the subtitles also. It's on the AHA app. You can download it. AHA is AHA, and it's a Telugu centric app mostly, but such a nice film. So Dirty Harry it is, and all the three main characters who that is the husband, wife, and the whatever third angle to the story, who's so husband wife, Shravan Reddy. Then there is Ruhani Sharma, is the she plays the character of the wife. So it is, I mean, she's this very calm, sweet sort of person that you would see in the movie, and towards the end of the film, there's such a twist to the story that it's like, in the end, she's being cheated upon all through the film. But when you watch the movie, when it reaches the end, you're like, wow, she's the real star of the film. So brilliant film. So you all have to watch it, yeah. And in fact, now I'm tempted to watch the English version. I'm going to check if it's on Amazon Prime or Netflix. It's called Match Point, starring Scarlett Johansson. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.